Samsung has just unveiled the Galaxy Watch Ultra, and its high price might leave you either puzzled or eager to buy. High-quality images of the watch, which Samsung uses on their website, have been leaked. Unlike the classic round design, the Galaxy Watch Ultra has a unique squircle shape, blending a square and a circle. It's definitely a bold new look for Samsung. The Galaxy Watch Ultra has a new orange button on the right side. It's unclear from the images if it's a rotating crown or just a regular button, but my sources say it's a customizable action button, similar to the one on the Apple Watch Ultra. The leaks show the Watch Ultra in two colors, black gray and white silver, both with a titanium build and sporty bands. There's also an orange band available, which looks amazing according to those who have tried the watch. I've often said that design is subjective, and the Galaxy Watch Ultra proves it. Remember when we talked about the Watch Ultra based on OnLeaks renders? Opinions were split 50-50 between loving and hating the new design. Personally, I'm not a fan, especially of the white version, which I find quite ugly. The black one is a bit better. Maybe the design will grow on people over time. For now, it's clear that the Galaxy Watch Ultra will definitely get people talking. The most surprising part is the price. Leaked US pricing shows the Galaxy Watch 7 will stay at $299 for the 40mm model, just like the Watch 6, with a familiar design but better internals. However, the Galaxy Watch Ultra is rumored to cost a staggering $700. This is a huge jump from Samsung's current most expensive wearable. The Galaxy Watch Ultra is priced at $700, which is just $100 less than Samsung's latest Galaxy S24 phone. This is a significant jump from the $479 price of the Watch 6 Classic. While the Watch Ultra offers major upgrades like better display and battery, $700 is quite steep. The Apple Watch Ultra costs even more at $800, but Apple has a fiercely loyal fan base willing to pay premium prices. Samsung, while popular, doesn't enjoy the same level of fan loyalty as Apple. They might need to be cautious with such a high price tag. It's unclear how the high price will affect sales. I think sales might decrease compared to the more affordable Watch 6 Classic, but we'll have to wait and see. There's also a new leak showing the charging case for the Galaxy Ring. The image shows it inside a case that resembles those used for Galaxy Buds. However, this one has a pillar at the bottom to hold the ring and a circle at the top to help center it. We've got leaked official specs for the Watch Ultra, revealing some significant upgrades. Click here to watch the video, and I'll see you there.